it. Look at what Mamata Banerjee is saying. You are not denying what she has said.
Well, first of all, namaskar to the nation through your channel. And while I could not really understand what exactly BJP wants to do, is it a trap which BJP feels that Mamata Banerjee has created for them? We have already objected, and it's quite demeaning for all the authorities and for the country like India to see that the conversation of a chief minister has been tapped without any procedure, and moreover, the tape, which is supposed to be a tape gate thing, has been released by the BJP IT cell.
Yes.
The epitome of fake news channel, Mr. Amit Malviya, the messiah of the fake news. He has actually
But
released
is the
it.
tape
So,
fake?
Mr.
Are you
Prasun,
saying
Mr.
that?
Prasun, on the
None
other
of your
side,
leaders are claiming that the actual conversation did not happen.
No. What I'm trying to tell you is, what I've told you initially is, how in the first place did they get that tape? What was the procedure they gone through to access that tape, which the BJP will never answer it to you. You will be still in the doldrum. You will never get that answer back from the BJP. And finally, it is basically a sabotage of the individual privacy. Today, it has been proven that privacy is a myth. Privacy is a myth. It's been proven by
But
this
they're
so-called
saying
government, which is
that
actually very
this
caring.
is a recorded phone conversation, which is possible. It's more similar such conversations have come out in the past of Mamata Banerjee.
And it's all, no. This is definitely nothing even close to that.
Okay.
Sheetal Kuchi doesn't happen every day. Sheetal Kuchi happened once, and then four people or five people died on that particular day. It's basically a black day for the state like Bengal.
It's not
And
4
on
or
top of
5.
it, a mother-
Actually,
a
5
mother-like
people
figure-
indeed died,
a
Manav,
mother-like
that day.
figure.
It's
Fine,
another
it's
matter
fine,
that you
that's what
don't
I
talk
said.
about the fifth
It's not-
person.
I-
One
no,
second.
no.
Dr. Prasun is also
Come
coming
back
in.
to it.
Let
I did not
please
say
both of you
4 or 5
listen to
people
each
died.
other.
the veracity
I'm
of the-
asking you the
I said
questions that
fine.
you are asking
Two
of each
questions.
other, but both of you still want to ask each other. I'll give you the opportunity. Prasun, 30 seconds, please.
Do you deny the veracity of the tape? It has already been acknowledged by you yesterday in a press conference that the voice is that of Honorable Chief Minister, Madam Banerjee. So the conversations happens to be, that's a fact that this particular conversation occurred. Now, you are trying to play vulture politics. It stands proved beyond doubt. You did not want to hand over the bodies to the relatives. You wanted to take out a procession. You wanted to further instigate the people against CISF, SP and IC.
2002.
This particular thing,
Who plays
this is
politics on the day?
tantamount to,
It's known.
this is
It's known
tantamount
as,
to,
he is basically the
infringement
epitome
of 124A as also 186. This is tantamount. You are instigating again, despite this unfortunate incident.
It is
Honorable Chief
unfortunate.
Minister was
It is
hell bent to
unfortunate
instigate,
who does it,
and now
was actually showing the grief, and was actually
relentless
acknowledging the
efforts
grief
to
and telling the
polarize and
people to go with
instigate
the
the
right
people
one by
procedure,
one, please.
would
go
take
into
you
the
nowhere.
FIR, that you want to say that people should not believe in the law and order.
Okay.
They should not go to the police to put an FIR. Should you
please
want to
go,
deprive
please
people
go.
with
No,
the
no,
minimum
no.
right?
Please go to
What
the
you are-
this is
One
our
second.
statement.
Both of you, please calm down. Manav, let me come in. The question is not whether you can raise the issue of phone tapping. You are well within your right to do so, and you can register an FIR and an investigation also. I think you've ordered one by the CID. The question is also the content of the tape, the conduct of the sitting chief minister. First, she was in dock for asking people to gherao CRPF. What happened in Sheetal Kuchi is in front of our eyes. TMC then claimed that this was peaceful voters. The visuals on the screen right now show they were not peaceful. Perhaps a rumor mongering instigated, but then the people did come at the forces. Sir, one second, Manav, one second. I will give you time. Please allow me to finish my proposition. I will give you time. Thirdly, now this tape, sir, I'll come to you. Please show patience. Thirdly, now there's a conversation of the chief minister where she says, don't give the dead bodies till you take them around. Then she's saying fix the SP, etc. Everyone should be under this investigation. And then NPR. Why raise NPR? It's an election campaigning narrative or an issue. But why on the day should you spread fear of NPR when voting is taking place?
She has talked about detention centers and all those things. This is very unfortunate.
Chronology altogether. It is very unfortunate what happened in Sheetal Kuchi. Do you accept that or not? The incident of people being shot in the chest. Do you accept that?
Please answer the question I'm asking you, Manav.
Celebrated? No, I'm asking you.
It's irrelevant whether I consider it unfortunate or not. That's not the question here. Sir, please answer my question.
There was a kind of a misconception that he has died, and people showed the revolt that how can a person die of 15 years old, which eventually landed in hospital by the police van. Simultaneously, people showed their agitation. Now everybody is having a normal bath, which is basically the roadside bath and all. You could have shot them on the leg. You could have shot them on the thigh. But what did you do? Get on the air fire.
Well,
That is
it
why
has
we are
already
coming
been
to go to the
debated
CID,
n number of times.
investigation, because
The situation was so precipitous.
They are happy to kill people. Goli Maro Sarkar is very normal. Now a woman who is actually a motherly figure,
Using pejorative language for the
and you think that
CISF.
emotions is wrong? Being a woman, she cannot really show the emotion and what she
Using
says.
such
The NPR is
derogatory and pejorative
Everything else
language.
comes second.
That is the
Please
chronology.
don't use
That
the
is
woman
the
card.
The Home Ministry.
Please don't use the woman card.
Of course,
I
she's
have
a
to
woman.
give the
You think-
final
you
word to
want to say
Subir
she's not a
Bhaumik.
woman?
No, this
Sir,
is
not
extremely
fair.
unfair.
She is a
no,
sitting
no,
chief
no,
minister.
But you don't
Gender
say
is not
she's
relevant here. Okay,
This-
one second. Sitting chief minister has to maintain law and order, not instigate provocation.
This was a
Subir Bhaumik,
incident.
please both of you pull back. Please both of you pull back. You've had your time. Both of you have had your time. Subir Bhaumik, final word to you. Does this reflect badly on the BJP or badly on the chief minister?
It reflects badly on both. The content, if it is true, reflects badly on Mamta. The way this tape has been procured, as Yashwant Sinha spoke to me this morning and demanded an independent, impartial inquiry. Because the sitting chief minister, her phone cannot be tapped. The Home Minister said this in Parliament in no uncertain terms, that no chief minister is being tapped. If intelligence agencies of the center who are authorized to do these kind of things have not done it, then the question is whether this is a fake video or not a fake video, and how it was procured. And I find it
Raised on you, I'll give you 20 seconds. Please, gentlemen, I only have 20 seconds. 20 seconds,
Mr.
Prasun.
Malviya is well within his rights to expose the TMC government. We are well within our rights.
Okay,
That
okay.
BJP has
they are
gone
on his
ahead
free of
then you say
consolidation of minority votes. Despite this violence, she could have desisted from, uttering such things. Despite
Today the
this,
Prime Minister is there. He's going for a rally. Morning he's giving a gyan, a pravachan. Afternoon he's coming to Calcutta and saying इससे बड़ा जनसभा तो मेरे अपने वोट बैंक में नहीं हुआ. जब मैंने वोट मांगा आप लोग नहीं आए. मेरे को बहुत नाराजगी है. लेकिन आज आप लोग आ रहे हैं. इतने भीड़ में आ रहे हैं.
Okay, I've run out of time. Gentlemen, I've run out of time. We'll try to take this forward. Thank you.